What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will telling about the France of 1980. Liberté, égalité, fraternité, liberty, equality, fraternity. The year 1980 marked an interesting period in the history of French currency. Among the circulating coins of the Fifth French Republic, the 2 francs coins stood out a piece that combined artistic design, historical symbolism, and practical value. Bearing the national motto, liberté, égalité, fraternité, liberty, equality, fraternity, this coin served a more than just a medium of exchange. It was also a miniature ambassador of French culture and ideals. In this script, we will explore the background of the coin, its design features, its economic role in France during the 1980s, its cultural and political symbolism, its production détail, and finally its value to collector today. By 1980, France was still firmly within the era of the Fifth Republic, founded in 1958 under Charles de Gaulle. The French franc was, the official currency, used widely until the adoption of the euro in 2002. The 2 francs denomination had been part of the French coinage system since the 19th century, but its design evolved significantly over the decade. The 1980 issue of the 2 francs coin belonged to a series introduced in 1979, designated by engravé Jean Lagrange. This design replaced earlier version and remained in use until the franc was retired. The 1980 issue, therefore, was only the second year of this particular style, making it an early example of the modernized French coinage of the late 20th century. The design of the 2 francs coin of 1980 was, both simple and elegant, embodying national pride and clarity. The obverse displayed the denomination, 2F, in bold, modern lettering. Surrounding it were stylized olive branch and wheat ears, representing peace and agricultural prosperity. These motifs symbolized both the peaceful ideals of the Republic and the importance of agriculture in the French economy. The reverse carried the French motto, liberté, égalité, fraternité, circling the rim. In the center was, the year of issue, 1980, along with the depiction of an oak sprig. The oak has long been a French symbol of strength and endurance, linking the Republic to deep historical and natural roots. The coin had a smooth edge, without reading or inscription, which was typical for this denomination. The overall look was clean, modern, and easy to recognize. Its size and design were practical for daily use, yet carried enough national symbolism to remind citizens of their shared identity. The technical details of the 1982 franc coin were carefully chosen for functionality, metal composition, nickel 100%. Weight, approximately 7.5 grammes. Diameter, 26.5 mm. Thickness, about 1.85 mm. Shape, round, with a smooth edge. The use of nickel gave the coin durability and a distinct silvery appearance. It was resistant to wear and corrosion, making it well suited for circulation. In 1980, France was undergoing economic challenge, including inflation and industrial restructuring. The franc was still a strong national currency, but its value was subject to international pressure, especially within the European Economic Community precursor to the European Union. The 2 francs coin was equivalent to a small everyday value. In 1980, 2 francs could buy a baguette of bread, a newspaper, or a boutique in certain cities. It was not a large denomination, but it was widely used by citizens in daily transactions. Thus, this coin was deeply integrated into everyday life. Millions of people handled it without necessarily thinking of its symbolism, yet it circulated constantly, connecting citizens through commerce and shared value. The motto, liberté, égalité, fraternité, has been central to French identity since the French Revolution of 1789. By inscribing it on coin, the government reinforced the value of the Republic in a tangible form. Every time a citizen held or exchanged a coin, they touched a symbol of freedom, equality, and fraternity. The presence of agricultural and natural motif further emphasized the connection between the Republic and its people. Olive branch symbolized peace after the turbulence of the 20th century, while oak and wheat highlighted endurance and prosperity. In a way, the deux francs of 1980 were a miniature work of civic education, silently reminding people of their shared heritage and republican ideals. The 1982 francs were struck at the Paris Mint Money de Paris, one of the world's oldest continually operating mint.